another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something. I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting biotech company called Nabriva Therapeutics. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Nabriva Therapeutics, they're working on antibiotics and treating infectious disease. So I'm really excited about that. They have a really good dedicated team, extensive leadership team with big background in science and industry experience. So, bacterial resistance is a major problem. So I'm really excited about some of the therapeutics that they got in their pipeline. So let's look at the leadership team. Ted Schroeder, CEO. Christina Guko-Paba is the chief medical officer. I've heard a bunch of interviews from them. Really outstanding leadership team. One of the medications I want to talk about is they got this first pleuromutilin antibiotic. It's lefalomucil. Can be given orally or IV. And they have completed their 2 phase 3 trials, which evaluated safety and efficacy for treatment of community-acquired bacterial pneumonia, which is really one of the leading causes of infection death, second most common cause in hospitalizations in the U.S. So that's really exciting. Met all the FDA and European Medicine Agency, EMA, primary endpoints in their 2 studies. Zalanta is the brand name. So I'm really excited about that. Let's look at the pipeline. So here's the lefalomucil, Zalanta, IV oral use, approved for community-acquired bacterial pneumonia. They also got some new indications that they're looking to, in phase 1 trials for pediatrics, cystic fibrosis, still in preclinical for osteomyelitis, prosthetic joint infections. So these are big. This could add a bunch of indications. Now, these are still in phase 1, the cystic fibrosis and pediatrics, phase 2 complete. So that's pretty exciting. I mean, because you get more indications, that means the doctors can prescribe it for more things. Okay, that's pretty exciting. The other one, Tedzolid, this has already been approved. They had a deal partnership with Merck, different medication, Civextro. Tedzolid is given IV or oral. I like those. When you can give a drug IV and oral, that's a great combination. So the patient can be on it. IV in the hospital setting can be given oral. Or in some cases, they want it to act faster, they can give it IV. Phosphomycin, this other medication, really exciting to hear about this one for pediatrics. First-in-class IV epoxide antibiotic with a broad spectrum of bactericidal for gram-negative and gram-positive activity. So that's exciting. There's a lot of medication, antibiotics that maybe they're for gram-positive bacteria or they're gram-negative. This has activity against both. It's been actually phosphomycin has an extensive history outside the U.S. market. So this is pretty exciting. If they can get something done for, it looks like they're in phase 1 trials for pediatrics for UTI, not UTI, I'm sorry, for, they are in, they have it, they've already filed for UTI, for phosphomycin. They're in phase 1 trials for adding an indication to be used in children. So that's pretty exciting. Let's look at the stock price. The stock symbol is NBRV. Nabriva Therapeutics. At the time of the video is trading at $2.19. I do like this company. I like what they have in their pipeline. I like, there's not a lot of other companies that are going after infectious disease. So if they can get some of these approved, get those indications going, I think that's going to be a big opportunity. Really big opportunity. I like the opportunity here. They got a compelling pipeline, a lot of potential indications. They've got a proven leadership team. I'm definitely going to be following this company. I think there's a lot of potential here for Nabriva Therapeutics. That's all the time we have for this video. If you did enjoy this video and content I'm creating, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe. It helps the channel grow. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.